Today we're going to learn how to replace a blinker turn signal light in a Porsche Cayman 981. So as you can see, my right blinker is not blinking. I got a notification come up while I was driving. I ordered a set of bulbs from the dealer, and we're pretty much going to learn how to replace them as we go today. So in the front trunk you have two kind of toolboxes. So this one actually has a little plastic container in here. If you open up this plastic container, we're going to use this tool. So we take this tool and we put it right in this hole. There's like a plastic tab or rubbery tab that covers it. You just take that out, put it in with this side facing towards the back of the car. It takes a little second to find the right position. And once you find it, pull it towards yourself, and as you can see, the light assembly is coming out. Lightly pull it out. Once you've pulled the light assembly out, you can see it's connected here in this connector.
What the did you just pull out?
Once you pull the light assembly out, you just have to disconnect this connector here. Seems to be a bit tricky. So you just slide the connector out. Takes a bit of wiggling. And now we've taken the light out of the assembly, and next step will be to actually replace the bulbs. So if you're looking at the headlight assembly from this side, there's a little tab, like a plastic tab, right on this side that you just pull open. And in here, you can actually see where the bulb is connected. So we're just gonna pull the bulb, it's like a bulb holder, out of there. And there is the bulb, and you can actually see it's been kind of burnt right there. So we're just gonna pop this out. I was trying to pull it and it doesn't come out, so you actually just have to twist it a bit, push it in and twist it, and it comes out super easy. So that's our old bulb. We're just gonna throw that out. Here's our new bulb. You can see the difference. This one was really burnt out badly. So new bulb goes in. Just remember to twist it in so it's nice and locked. Now we're going to put it back in its housing over here. Essentially the way to do it is the bulb holder or attachment has these kinds of like grips. So just grip them with 2 fingers, and the cable should be facing inside the assembly. Stick it into its slot, and then just push until it kind of clicks in. Until it kind of clicks in, it gets locked in there. So it's pretty tight. If you give it enough force, you can pull it out, but it gets kind of stuck in there. Then we just take our the cover, push the cover in. You just have to make sure that this tab lines up with this tab over here. So just stick it in, line it up, make sure it's fully sealed, and then we're good to go. Put it back into the car. The first step will be to attach the cables back together. So you just stick it in there. There should be an audible click, so it actually clicks there and it kind of gets locked in. And then the next step is to align the headlight with the guides inside the car. So once you have about 1 centimeter left there, while you're pushing the headlight into the car, you're actually going to pull this back as well until you hear it lock right there. And at this point, the headlight is fully locked into the car and you're pretty much good to go. So, oh yeah, you just stick the tab back. You take this rubber tab and you stick it back in just to cover everything up. It's actually a lot harder than it would seem. Anyways, it's all in there. And now you can see that both of the blinkers are working great. So that was a great success. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So it's a nice, fun project you can try out if you ever have a faulty, burnt out blinker. Good stuff.
No, look at this fucking mosquito bite.